Welcome to English Learning. Today we will learn the alphabet from A to Z with words and easy sentences. Let's begin.
A is for apple. I like to eat an apple.
B is for ball. I can play with a ball. C is for cat. The cat is cute. D is for dog. The dog is friendly. E is for elephant. The elephant is big. F is for fish. The fish swims fast. G is for goat. The goat eats grass. H is for house. My house is small.
I is for ice cream. I love ice cream.
J is for juice. I drink orange juice. K is for kite. The kite flies high. L is for lion. The lion is strong. M is for monkey. The monkey climbs trees. N is for nest. The birds live in a nest.
O is for orange. The orange is sweet.
P is for pen. I write with a pen.
Q is for queen. The queen wears a crown.
R, rabbit. R is for rabbit. The rabbit runs fast. S is for sun. The sun is bright. T is for tiger. The tiger is powerful.
U is for umbrella. I use an umbrella in the rain.
V is for van. The van is blue.
W is for water. I drink water every day.
X is for xylophone. It makes music. Y is for yellow. The sun looks yellow.
Z is for zebra. The zebra has stripes.